You know, when you achieve something in your career, finances, personal life, and you feel great for a while, but pretty soon there is a gap between where you are and where you want to be. Because one of the most basic needs we have as human beings is our need to grow. And if you don't grow, you die. We all must grow. Everything in life is either growing or dying. There is nowhere in between. And we are not happy unless we are growing, period. There is no way around it. Growth is the only evidence of life. Happiness is not an achievement. Happiness lies in progress. If a relationship is not growing, if a business is not growing, if you are not growing, it doesn't matter how much money you have in the bank, how many friends you have, how many people love you, you are not going to experience real fulfillment. And how do you integrate growth in your life? Growth can be taking a chance or putting yourself in a situation that may be out of your comfort zone. Or maybe it's learning a new language or skill, simply trying a new kind of food, or watching a different movie than you usually do. Growth comes from pushing yourself not to settle for the known, but to reach instead for the unknown. Ladies and gentlemen, growth is painful. Change is painful. But nothing is as painful as staying stuck somewhere you don't belong.